Saturday morning tour. I just drove this very original 71 silver car in this morning. We've got our client's 41 Buick in for service, which he incidentally just purchased on Bring a Trailer. And this is the one that's going on Bring a Trailer in a matter of days, I think. Some other cars in the shop in various stages. This is one of our clients' 280s. This is a 190 that is up for sale. Our client's Series 1 E-Type, the second to last ever built 280, part of our inventory. Fully restored dark olive 280 SL, and a wonderfully restored 1970 Signal Red car. One of our clients' projects, which is in the works. Another client's 190 that's in the final stages. Our 67 911, which will be available soon. We'll finish with a walk around of the silver 280 with a 100% original interior.